Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about a simple program how can multiply the two variable values using the AngularJS. I am going to initialize the ng init is a quantity equal to 1 and a semicolon and a host equal to 5 within the double quotes using the ng init parameters like ng init tag. Within the span tag, ng bind that value quantity int cost, right? I'm going to run the code. What will happen? See, the value is $5. Total dollar is 5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. This channel is specially focused for beginners and simple programs, how to learn lot of things in the Spring and Core Java and MySQL also very soon will upload. Thanks for watching. Please support me.